Hello and welcome to the Spot the Error series. Today we are going to see the 7th episode. But before we go ahead, I'd like to suggest you to watch the previous episodes in the same series. You will get a lot many tips and tricks about grammar and vocabulary that will help you a lot to solve this kind of question, that is the spot the error kind of question, which appears in all the competitive examinations and the board examinations. So let's start with the first sentence. Although their visas will expire in September, they can have them extended for 6 months, no error. The visas will expire in September. Now, visa expiration is such a thing that is fixed. So, for the fixed program in future, we use the simple present tense. The expiry of the visa is fixed, that is going to happen in the month of September. We need not to use the future tense. The simple present is enough. Like for example, the college reopens on Monday. Monday, it indicates the future, but it reopens. It is in the schedule. So it reopens on Monday. It is fixed. The train leaves at 3 tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates the future, but what kind of future? It's a fixed program. It's a timetable. So we are using the simple present. In the same way, their visas expire in September. No need to take will. Simple present tense is enough. So by the way, there is a complete lesson based on the simple present tense. A detailed information is given there. You can check it in the I button. The link is given there. Second example, coming events in the village include a flower show and a treat to the school children, no error. Look at the phrase treat to. It is treat for. Treat for. It is a feast for. Okay, so treat is followed by for. Sentence number 3. His company is one of the few companies manufacturing this product in the whole country, no error. Now, always remember one of the is followed by the plural form of the. Like in the example, one of the boys means there are many boys and we are talking one of these boys. One of the flowers means there are many flowers and we are talking about one of them. In the same way, his company is one of the many companies or a few companies. One of the companies. Instead of company, we need to take companies. Okay. So the error lies in section B. Sentence number 4. The person which was recommended for the position did not fulfill the prescribed qualification, no error. Always remember, for the person, we take the relative pronoun who or that. For example, the woman who died yesterday was sick, or the woman that died yesterday was sick. So instead of which, we need to take either who or that. So the error lies in section A. Sentence number 5. The course provides not only theoretical inputs but also practical training, no error. The sentence is in the simple present tense. The subject, the course, is third person singular. Course, one is there, singular. So, in the simple present tense, when the subject is third person singular, the following verb takes S or ES sub. So, the course provides, it should be provides and not provides. So, the error lies in section A. By the way, there is a complete lesson based on the simple present tense. The link is given in the I button. You will get a detailed information about that tense. Please watch it. Now, it's your turn. I have an appointment on the 9th of September on 5 o'clock, no error. You are going to write the answer of this question in the comment section. Before taking a leave, I would like to suggest you to watch the previous episodes. The link is given in the I button and in the description box. If you find this lesson informative, please like, share and comment on this video. You can also consider subscribing to this channel. We'll be back very soon with one more new lesson. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep growing. Learn English with Shivkanya. Thank you for your time, love and support. Peace.